Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to plant this longan tree, guys. I eat this longan and the seed I put down in the dirt and they grow for me. There's two of them right here. I'm gonna go ahead do a tree again because I love tree. You know, trees mean a lot for me. They mean you two couple together and then get along and stay together for life. So that's why I love everything tree plant because of represent of us life in my life to live two people and healthy and longer and then get along good. So let's go plant this longan tree. Alright guys, come on, let's go start it. I already have dirt in there, so I'm gonna keep add on more dirt. Okay, it's very easy because I already had the part. I take off from the big part, so these two right here can stay in the middle like this. Okay, let's go start. The root very long root. Okay, I don't want them to die, so let's go ahead add some more the dirt in here. So we go ahead put them down like this. One this side from far away each other a little bit. Oh, I can hear the root open. I hope they stay alive. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead put up more dirt in there. Longan, I love longan, but see, I'm gonna Google take a look. What's the benefit of longan leaf? I want to know because if the longan good for you, the leaves will be good for you too. Anything can be happen, like make the tea, thing like that. You can make tea. Go ahead, make them beautiful. Stay happy. Anybody need to eat, right? They need to eat too, so they drink water. So they eat water. Basically, they need to eat, just like everybody else. You see, guys? I hope you see very good, okay? Up a little bit more, get higher, up a little bit more. I love plant, guys. Love plant. Okay, that should be good like that. Yep, nice. Look very nice to me. See that? You see that? It look nice. You see that, guys? Beautiful, right? Already in this tree, longan tree again. So I'm gonna go ahead water, make them happy. Everybody needs to eat, so that means they drink the water. Okay. If you hear a helicopter go up and down, noise. Today Tuesday, I live nearby N2 Airport. So this is N2 Airport base right here. Go ahead, give them the water. Okay, let them be happy and marry each other. Here again, twin longan tree, guys. It's beautiful. Okay, guys, how beautiful this tree right here. Okay, let's see how long they can grow, how beautiful they can grow. So let's go keep eye on this. Okay, it's beautiful. If guys you love this video, thumbs up, subscribe, I'm gonna show you how to do more plant by your own. Whatever plant you love, just do it and then benefit in your home the same time. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys next video. Bye bye.